Your Truly Free non-toxic floor cleaner cleans and shines and revitalizes your wooden floors without any toxic chemicals, making it the perfect solution if you have pets, toddlers, or just don't want to spread toxic chemicals throughout your home. We ditched toxic chemicals like ammonia, chlorine, glycol ethers, and formaldehyde found in the big name floor cleaners and replaced them with a highly effective plant-powered chemistry to easily make your floors shine. Filling the bottle is easy. Add warm water to the fill line, pour in 1 floor cleaner refill pouch, top off with water, shake, and you're ready to clean and shine your floors like a pro. Enjoy the various ways to use our non-toxic floor cleaner for all your toughest messes. Use on tile, linoleum, sealed hardwood, marble floors, and sealed stone. To squirt and mop, squirt mixed floor cleaner directly onto the surface and mop. For a refillable steam mop, fill the refillable mop cleaner with an already mixed floor cleaner solution to your machine's formula fill line. Enjoy the fresh smelling citrus scent as you wash away grease and grime for streak-free floors without walking on any toxic chemicals all day. And don't forget to add more refill packages to your next box so you'll never run out at trulyfreehome.com today.